Remote control cars are a thrilling way to enjoy high-speed excitement and master off-road terrains. If you're searching for the perfect RC vehicle, look no further. This is where the best RC cars step into the spotlight. In this video, we'll explore some fantastic options that just might meet your needs. Now, let's get started. First up is the HAIBOXING H16BM brushless fast RC car. This beast packs a powerful brushless motor with a metal heatsink and cooling fan to handle high-torque situations without breaking a sweat. It boasts a smart 2S/3S45 AESC, making it capable of reaching speeds of up to 42 plus mph with a 3S LiPo battery. Built for durability, the honeycomb chassis and metal gears contribute to a robust 4WD system, holding strong against impacts and offering a smooth ride with 16 ball bearings. As for the pros, this RC car is incredibly fast and highly durable. As for the cons, it can be a bit pricey for beginners. But overall, the HAIBOXING H16BM delivers an outstanding performance for serious RC enthusiasts. Next in line is the HAIBOXING 18859 all-terrain off-road RC car. Featuring a speedy brushed RC 380 motor, this 4WD truck can zip along at 36 kph, offering endless fun for drivers of all ages. Its hobby-class design includes solid gear differentials, independent suspension, and waterproof electronics, ensuring it can tackle various terrains with ease. In terms of usability, it's 99% ready to run right out of the box and comes with 2 LiPo battery packs for extended playtime. As for the pros, this RC car is both fast and budget-friendly. As for the cons, the brushed motor might not be as durable as a brushless one. Yet, the HAIBOXING 18859 proves to be an exceptional choice for both beginners and seasoned pros who want a reliable, fun RC truck. As for recommendations, the HAIBOXING H16BM is ideal for seasoned drivers seeking top-speed thrills and heavy-duty performance. As for the HAIBOXING 18859, it is perfect for those who want a high-speed, all-terrain experience without breaking the bank. For more details about the HAIBOXING H16BM and the HAIBOXING 18859, including where to buy and updated pricing, be sure to check out the product links in the description. Also, if you like videos like this, be sure to subscribe for the latest updates. Thanks for watching.